about the lighting in my apartment. It's always nice, it's always grand. But anyways, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But if you're a regular, a day one babe, like, welcome back, honey. So guys, I know I've been away for quite some time. Not really quite some time. I just didn't post, I think, for 2 weeks, and I don't know when is this vlog gonna go out. Anyways, I just got back. Well, I didn't just get back. I got back like a few hours ago. What the hell? I got back a few hours ago from my hair appointment. As you guys can see, I did braids. It's like, it's not knotless braids, it's, yeah, I'm not doing knotless anymore because knotless braids tends to eat away my hairline. So I did braids that have beads. It's like medium length, something that I would never really do because I like long braids. My lips are so dry, by the way, so I like long braids. But yeah, my house is a mess because over the weekend your girl was going through the most. I literally was going through the most, hence why I haven't, well, actually I've been going through the most for the past couple of weeks, hence why I haven't been posting or I haven't been consistent, right? So what's on the agenda for this vlog? Well, I honestly do not know, right? But the one thing I know is that in one of my previous vlogs, I bought curtain trackers, so those need to be installed, right? And then I need to hang up my painting and also a mirror that I got, as well as I need to go and look for bedside lamps, because honestly, with the blackout curtains that I have, it becomes so dark at night, and when I try and wake up in the middle of the night, maybe just to go and drink. Hey guys, so we are at the mall, but I first quickly need to go to the bank and just withdraw some cash as well. This is the couch. They don't have the one that I saw online in store. They have it at the warehouse, or they can just manufacture it. But let's look around. I really do like this. You could even use it as like a console table, but it is a console table. Let's see this one. Don't want to, on my mind. Guys, here are the mirrors. They're very affordable, I have to say. And this is the one that I want, this big one, but I can't see the price because the other ones are like 4.3. This one's 3.8. That's 2.5. But honestly, this is the one that I want, this one. So hey guys, I'm currently at H&M and I'm shopping for like nice stay-at-home clothes, right? Actually, I'm shopping for an outfit that I'm gonna wear in a reel that I'm gonna create very soon, so do watch for that. Like, do stay tuned for that and watch that. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please make sure that you do. Other than that, yeah, let's put that. Okay guys, so this is the first look. This oversized white t-shirt with the green biker shorts. I mean, if you have the vision, imagine me wearing like white Adidas socks or Nike socks and like those chunky sneakers. So that's the first. Don't want you, I'm on. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you, I'm on. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you, I'm on. I'm on, I'm on, I'm on, I'm on. I finally found what we're wrong. You think I finally found the wrong in you. You think looking for a dining set or a dinner set. Everyone usually, I think everyone has this one, but then now they've revamped or added a new one, which is this one, and I feel like this one is much more nicer than this one at home, by the way. I just got back from the mall. I've been out the whole day, and let me turn down the radio. So, you know, this Uber driver was so rude, and I realized that all the Uber drivers, well, some of them, not all of them, they just rude. But anyways, I did a poll on Instagram. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I did a poll and I asked you guys which cup should I get, because you know me, I'm a cup lady. And you guys voted on this one, so I went ahead with this one and I got it at home for like 89 Rand. And then I went to Woolies. My lips are blue. I went to Woolies and then I got, because I'm short on my dinner plate. It's not my dinner set, it's not complete because one side plate broke and a cereal bowl broke. So I went ahead and I bought the everyday. Let me unbox it. I went and I bought the everyday side plate because that's the one that I know. But then the thing is, I went to Woolies first, and then after Woolies, I saw the dinner set that I showed in my previous clip. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I fell in love with that. And I honestly just want to get that dinner set now. And then I got the cereal bowl. This is the set, but you guys can see, like, this is the cereal bowl, and it's $45.95. Honestly speaking, this everyday set is now complete. Now I want to buy that dinner set from At Home. That one looks so nice because not a lot of people have that one. A lot of people have the square. Is it the square? Yes, the square shaped, and I really don't like the square shape. Like, everything of mine needs to be round. But then I went to Mr. Price Home. Oh, I fell in love. So I went to Mr. Price Home and then I got this vase. And then I went to At Home, right, to go and check for the couch that I want. By the way, I need to measure my living area on like how big it is for the couch. Will it fit the space? So that's the thing that I'm going to go and do, because I am gonna get a couch. I'm gonna get a couch next week, because also the guy there was like, don't buy a couch now, rather buy it next week on the 25th, right, because that's when they're gonna have a sale. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. But anyways, let me get ready and go to the gym, because I haven't been to the gym this week. But yeah. Hey guys, I'm here. Oh, here it is. I'm here at Mr. Price home to look for my curtain, like I told you guys. And I think I found it, because when I was at Mall of Africa, they had the bigger version of it. But I don't want that. I wanted one that matches with the one that I have. So which is this one. And then, yeah, and then I don't know what else am I gonna get. But I just think I'm here for that. Sibahle natural kaloku. Sizalwe sibanje.
The next day.
Say hi to the vlog. Hey vlog. The lighting. Hey guys, if I haven't introduced you guys to this vlog, that's because things were, you know, it's in the busy Shukuba. But we are currently in Pretoria at the Sun Arena. We are here to watch Miss Essay because we outside. Ooh, that's my girl Lorato. We are here. I'm so excited. So excited.
Africa 2022.
Jump